If you are a digital creator or freelancer or forex trader or crypto trader or any of the person who earns through internet and you belong to a country where PayPal is not available, you are finally at the right video, because except this video, all the other videos on the internet do not work and all they are just lying for gaining views. The only trick that works to use PayPal in unsupported countries is the one I'm going to explain in this video. So stop wasting your time for watching those useless tutorials. I will share with you a very simple and only working trick which will help you get out of this issue. So let's move towards it. You have to open up your Instagram application first of all. Don't worry, I'll tell you in just a minute that what it has to do with Instagram. You have to just open it, and after that you have to go to this search button available next to the home button, and after that tap in this search bar again, and now write exactly the same spellings I'm writing. So you have to write here how to official 0, and after that hit the search button, and when you do this Instagram account will appear up. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, the trick works the same on both of these. So tap on this account, and after that you have to tap on this message button available at this account. So tap on message, and after that tap in this message text box and write here, I want to use your PayPal account. And it will be better if you write here rent. So it will be, I want to rent your PayPal account, and send this message. Now this is my Instagram account and I provide these services to use my PayPal account. You can use it for money transfers and money withdrawals, for buying subscriptions, or any purpose you need. You have to just message me here. In return, I will keep a very tiny bit of commission, and you can rent my account for any number of times and any of the legal purposes. And if you think I'm a scam or I'm just lying, here let me show you some proofs. I had created an account for this person and he is confirming that it's working. And after that he sent some money to my PayPal account. And let me show you another one, this one here. He's also saying a thanks to me, and he also confirmed me that the account is working I had created for him. This was another type of account I was providing the services of, and he had sent the payment to me even before his work was done. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services, and I have successfully provided them. So if you too want to use my PayPal account for any type of money transfers, you can simply contact me on this account and I'll be waiting for you there. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.